Okay guys, today is a Dotcoin mining and Dotcoin points. This is a day 3 already and level 3. So let's upgrade our level 3. So check this button here, DTC mining. Then click here, amounting to 100,000 coin. Okay, for level 3, click here. Then you need to pay 200,000. So we need to check again. So as of today, we have 4 DTC, okay, per day. So that is my mining rig, mining points or mining token. So let's upgrade this to level 3. Click, then click the DTC mining. Okay, click upgrade. Okay, so tomorrow for level 4, and you need to pay 400,000 points for tomorrow. Okay, so this is a level 3 guys. So I earn 8 DTC per day. So check the portfolio. For within 2 days I received 6 DTC already. So you need to wait exchange, major exchange, so that we can exchange our DTC. Okay, this is the update today guys. So every day you need to visit your DTC points in DTC earning. Okay, once in a 24 hours only you need to upgrade, and you don't forget to check the boss section and play so that you can earn times 2 of your daily rewards. Okay,